Hey guys, welcome back to my channel PetSpan. Today I am reviewing the 4 best booster bath elevated for pets. The first one is booster bath is simply most elegant, convenient and functional dog bath available for home and light commercial use. Made in USA, new 2 pieces quick snap tube require minor assembly. The booster bath is made of UV stabilized polypropylene so it can store outdoors without the worry of color fading. 360-degree access allow for easy bathing and drying. Booster bath product eliminate most of issue with home pet bathing, slipping and sliding, cashing and shampoo bottle, back cash from binding over lifting the pet into and out the tube, messy bathroom cleanup. The problem we used to have with the pet bathing are over. The second one is booster bath elevated pet bathing. The booster bath provides elevation and containment of your pet with 360-degree access for easy bathing and drying, adjustable 3-point resistance system with quick snap removable collar. This is a huge patent feature unique only to booster bath which competitive product cannot incorporate. This includes resistance keep the pet facing forward in tube and prevent the pet from writing, jumping and backing out of the tube during bathing. Imagine the hazard of pet trying to leap out of trying to turn around in tube almost 3 feet off the ground. Boosted bath elevates to minimize back discomfort for the bather while keeping your pet secure and safe. One-piece tube legs bolt, unbolt for use and easy off for storage. Great for indoor or outdoor use. UV stabilized and can be stored outdoor. Rubber bumper on button of leg keep bath stationary when your dog entered or exists. Rain hose allow you to easily direct draining while you stay dry during bathing. Shampoo caddy eliminate catching the shampoo bottle while the including fan spray nozzle is great for washing dog. Rubberizer no slip mat prevent your dog from slipping and sliding during the bath time, designed for breed size. The third one is Flying Big Grooming 50 professional stainless steel pet dog grooming bath made of rust resistant 6 gigs 304 type stainless steel which provide great solid durability and easy maintenance. Steel removable overhead arm with loop that can be adjusted to accommodate remove for greater versatility and feature waterproof cell when it is assembled for normal use. To higher or lower level to accommodate both large and small dogs. Door is easy to open and securely lock closed. Also feature watertight seals. Walk-in ramp filled with the cold and hot water hose. Spray with hose. Overhead grooming arms. Drain kit and hair trap. Floor grate and stainless steel shampoo rack. Door is easy to open and securely locks closed. Also feature watertight seals. Walk-in ramp filled with cold and hot water hose. Spray with hose. Overhead grooming arm. Drain kit and hair trap. Floor grate and stainless steel shampoo rack. The last one is HYFZY Dog Bath Tube. Portable, foldable bath tube for easy storage and saving home space. The foldable design makes it easy to store and does not affect your child. Full-size bath tube. Lightweight and steady can be used in household. Pet tube can be used in storage basket. The folding bath tube is made of PP plus T or P which is non-toxic and tasteless. BPA free lead free patholate free. If you have any problem with it, please contact us in time. I will wait for your mail 24 hours a day. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.